A Group names new Chief Operating Officer and Chief Risk Officer. A Group has filled its recently vacant position of Chief Operating Officer with the appointment of Jodie Dunn, who was promoted from her previous role of Chief Risk Officer. The London-listed broker promoted Sarah Gore-Langton, previously the Chief Compliance Officer, to the role of Chief Risk Officer. Homebuilder sentiment turns positive for the first time since July. U.S. homebuilders are feeling more confident about their businesses than they have since last summer, as they see better demand despite stubbornly high mortgage rates. Homebuilder sentiment went positive for the first time since July and gained for the fourth straight month. The popular 30-year fixed mortgage rate has hovered around 7% since February. Column funds maintain large short yen position ahead of BOJ decision, McGeever. Orlando, Florida, March 18. Reuters, hedge funds have cut back their huge bet against the yen ahead of the Bank of Japan's policy decision on Tuesday, but not by much, suggesting they don't believe a landmark interest rate hike would do much to improve the currency's immediate fortunes. The BOJ is expected to deliver its first rate hike in 17 years on Tuesday, bringing the curtain down on 8 years of negative interest rate policy, NIRP, and the latest move to end decades of deflation fighting, accommodative policy. Central banks mustn't hail victory too soon, BIS's Carstens says. Central banks mustn't declare victory over inflation too soon and might have to stick with higher interest rates for a while, according to the head of the Bank for International Settlements. Monetary policy will need to prioritize the inflation fight until it is decisively won and price stability is restored, General Manager Augustin Carstens said in Frankfurt on Monday. The tighter stance may need to be maintained for a long time, for only through resolve, perseverance and success can trust in money be preserved. Emotional rescue, markets, Fed policy, and elections. Between adjustments in Fed policy and a coming presidential election, it's going to be an emotional year, but historical data show staying invested is the best course for investors. The March Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, meeting is this week, and although there is no expectation the committee will cut interest rates, there will be the release of the updated Summary of Economic Projections, SEP, as well as the dot plot showing the collective committee member forecasts for the Fed funds rate. As of this writing, the probability, per the Fed funds futures market, of a rate cut at the May FOMC meeting has fallen from nearly 30% a month ago to only 10% today. Thank you.